Hey guys, this is how to set up categories on Squarespace. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your website, and after you go to your website guys, just simply go ahead and go to the left side over here and just simply go for products and services and just simply go to the products over here, and after that just simply select your product over here. And once you have selected your product, just simply go ahead and go to the left side over here and go for the organization. So just simply go ahead and click on this. And now from here, you should be able to see the categories. As you can see, create categories over here. Just simply click on this plus icon. And now from here, just simply add a category. So let's say I'm going to go for clothes and click on add. And after that, just simply check this box. And from here, you just simply click on done. And as you can see, you'll be able to add it into your category, which is clothes. And after that, just simply click on save on the top right corner of the screen. You can go for save, publish, or schedule. So let's say I'm going to go for save. And from there, you should be able to set it up as a category. And as you can see, when you search over here, you should be able to search it. There you go. See ya.